in the first exercise, you have seen all the question based on a one single triangle. Now the next part, next exercise, there are the questions based on the combination of figures. So quadrilateral areas or any other different figures have been combined together, but those this many triangles have been, they are actually made up of the triangles. Many triangles have been mixed together. So combination of triangles are there, and you have to calculate the area of those combination of triangles. So that means you have to find the area separately and add them.
Ma'am, this is max. You're doing max first or science first, ma'am?
It was 4 to 5 is the maths timings.
Okay, 1 minute.
Next question. Example it is, Sanya has a piece of land which is in the shape of rhombus. She wants her one daughter and one son to work on the land and produce different crops. She divided the land into two equal parts. If the perimeter of the land is 400 meter and if one of the diagonal is 160 meter, how much area each of them will get for their crops?
Ma'am, this is
So
from
that
what
means here, it is an example, it is not exercise question.
from textbook only?
Yeah. So this is a rhombus. A, B, C, D, right? Then one of the diagonal is 160 meters. Now, how we divide it so that is it is equally divided into two parts?
Draw a diagonal.
Ma'am, BD.
We have to join any one of the diagonal. Any one of the diagonal we have to divide. Then it is two equal areas. The rhombus will be divided. Now one of the diagonal they have given 160 meters. And a perimeter is 400. So what is the each side?
100.
Perimeter is equal to 400 meters. So therefore each side will be
100 meters.
100 meters because rhombus all sides are equal. So 4a is equal to 400. So therefore a is equal to 100. So all sides are 100. 100 meters. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. So everyone's area is exactly equal. So if this area and this area is equal, so son will get this part, daughter will get this part. Clear? So find the area of this part. So for this ABC, area of ABC. So in that first S we have to calculate, that is 100 plus 100 plus 160 by 2, that is 360 by 2, which is 180. S minus A is 180 minus 100, that is 80. S minus B is 180 minus 100, that is also 80. S minus C, 180 minus 160, which is 20. So area is equal to 180 into 80 into 80 into 20. 180 we can write as 20 we need. So 20 into 9 into 80 into 80 into 20. So out of that, this 20 and this 20. Square root is 20.
Ma'am, we
80
can even
into
write
80 and 3. 9's square root is 3. 80 into 80 is 80. 20 into 20 is 20. 1600 into 3, that is 4800 meters square. This is the area each will get. Each will get.
Ma'am, according to Heron's formula, by seeing the figure only, two sides 100 meter and one side 160 meter, it's obvious that both will get equal.
Yeah, equally. So that is how much they are asking. No, we know that is it is equal. We have to calculate the value.
So total is 9,600, right? Both.
Yeah,
Total area.
they have not asked about total. They have asked each
Okay, each
how
is
much
what?
area each of them will get.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, instead of 20 into 9, we can write even 90 into 2 now, ma'am.
Then 90 is the square root. How will find out? I had here separate 20, so therefore I have taken 20 because I want to take out 20.
Ma'am, is this question from the exercise of NCRT?
It's not exercise. Example
Okay,
6.
okay ma'am.
It is
That's
example 6.
Then ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, just a minute.
First question. A park in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has angle C is equal to 90. AB is equal to 9 meters. BC is equal to 12 meters. CD is 5 and AD is 8. How much area does it occupy?
Ma'am, can you please scroll up?
Why you are writing so slow?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, in this we should take the diagonal BD because angle C is 90. So by Pythagorean theorem, we can
Yes.
find
Find
DB
out
and
BD distance. Yes.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, BD is 13 meters.
This is C90. A. No, sorry. Here should be B. This should be A. This is D. So we have to join BD. So BC is AB is 9. BC is 12. CD is 5. AD is 8. So this is 5, 12. That means this is 13 meters. By Pythagoras theorem, you have to calculate BD distance. BD square is equal to CD square plus BC square. 5 square plus 12 square. 25 plus 144, which is equal to 169, is BD square. So BD is equal to 13 meters. Then area of DCB is equal to half into base into height. BC into CD. This is equal to half into BC is 12, height is 5. 630 meter square is the BCD area.
Ma'am,
Now ADB you have to calculate from Heron's formula because we don't know any angle there. Yes. Yes,
ma'am, why didn't we calculate the area of DCB by Heron's? Because it's the chapter.
Yeah, it's chapter, but it is easier, no? How much time you'll spend for finding two? If you
But
you
if it
can
comes
use
in exam,
you have to do it with by half base into height.
okay.
Because the second area you have to find out by Heron's formula.
Okay. So right triangle, we can find it by half into base into height.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Even equilateral triangle also you can directly tell root 3 by 4 a square.
Okay, ma'am.
For ADB, we can't use any of the formula. Half into base into height we can't use. Therefore, we are using we are finding it by Heron's formula. But BCD we can find out before using Heron's formula. We can find out by half into base into height formula. So use it directly.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the area of triangle ADB is coming 6 root 35.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 6 root 35. Root 35, find out the square root of root 35.
In point.
Yes. In decimals you have to calculate. By long division method.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.91.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 5.916 like that.
Yes, and then
5.91.
30.
5.916.
30 plus that value.
Ma'am, is it 354.6?
350, no, 5 points, so that means 35 point.
Yeah,
35.496.
Yeah.
35.91.
Yes, right.
Ma'am,
What's the
65.496.
ma'am?
Yeah,
Ma'am, what's the answer?
35 point something.
Ma'am, I'm getting 354.6.
So how much is 6 root 35? 6 root 35 is?
Ma'am, for 6 to 35, I got 35.46.
You have used
Yes, ma'am.
calculator
Ma'am, yeah.
or
Ma'am, we
you
forgot
have
to
done by long
multiply.
division?
Ma'am, no, actually the decimal places I shifted.
I forgot to multiply with 6.
You are using calculator or you are doing it by yourself?
Long division.
Long division.
Long.
It is 35.46, the answer.
35.46 plus 30, 65.46.
Yes, ma'am.
65.46 is the final answer.
So at last we have to add both the areas and we get the answer.
So you have to find out the total ABCD area. They have asked how much area does it occupy. That means a full area, quadrilateral area. So quadrilateral area is area of DCB plus area of ADB.
Ma'am,
Area of ADB, you got a 6 root 35. 6 into, this is 5.91. How much you got? 6 root 35. Root 35 is?
5.916.
0.916.
5.916. So 6 6 are 36. 9. Sine 6 9s are 54, 5, 35.496 meter square is the ADB area. So area of ABCD is equal to 30 plus 35.496, that is 65.496 meter square.
Ma'am, because
Yeah.
you took 5.916, you got 65.496, but I have took only 5.91. So I've got 65.46.
That's okay. That's not a
Okay, ma'am.
problem.
Ma'am, the answer is coming 6 centimeter square plus 4 root 21 centimeter square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Find out root 21. Square root of root 21 separately and add it.
Ma'am, first we need to find the perimeter, then we have to use Heron's formula, no ma'am,
Which perimeter you have to calculate?
for AB plus BC plus CD plus DA plus
Why?
um,
Why you need perimeter?
ma'am, to find the area.
You need triangle. First draw the figure, draw triangle. Areas of two triangles you have to find out.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is 24.32 meters square. Yeah. Centimeter square, sorry.
Ma'am, 15.2 centimeters.
It is 24.32.
Ma'am, 15.2 centimeters square.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's not given that angle B is 90 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
3, 4, 5.
Okay, yeah. Pythagoras.
What?
Ma'am, you did it by Pythagorean, right? You found that it's right
Yeah,
angle.
it is 3, 4, 5 is there. So that means these are Pythagorean triplets.
Yeah,
So therefore
so
angle B is
okay.
90.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
ma'am, 2 will come out, so it will be 2 root under 21.
Yeah, 2 root under 21. 6 plus 2 into square root 21 is?
It is 4.58.
You.
It's not 5, 8. It's 5, 0. Then 8. 508 it is. 4.508 can come.
Ma'am, 4
I mean,
squares of
4.58.
added, it will be 8 and then 1 digit will be there.
What?
Ma'am, we did 4 4 is 16 and
Okay,
then
here it is 85 plus 5, that is 90. 90 will come. Then 90, that means 70, 7500. 8 is 4.58. 6.91, 9.16, that is 15.16. So in this figure, there are many figures. One figure, there are many figures. So this is one triangle.
Three
Second
triangles,
one is rectangle.
rectangle, and one
The
trapezium.
fourth and fifth one is triangle, and third one is trapezium. In that first triangle, although it is not given, but these two sides should be equal, because practically they have already told it is an aeroplane. So aeroplane, this front cannot be turned down. So it is equal sides. So this is 5. If this is 5, then this is also 5, and the base is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. That means this is also 1 centimeter. So figure 1 has sides 5, 5, 1. It is a triangle. Figure 2 is rectangle with length is equal to 6.5 and breadth is equal to 1. Then third figure is trapezium with parallel sides. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1 centimeter. And then H we have to calculate. Then we have to find out that area. For the fourth and fifth, both of them are similar ones, in that it is right triangles. So this is 90, this will be 90. So these are right triangles. Right angle triangle, in that one A area is 1.5 centimeter and the base is 6 centimeter.
Ma'am, how is it right angle?
It is straight line. So it has to be right triangle. That is consideration, our consideration. Not our, it is practically. Find out then first area, second area, fourth and fifth area. Then I will explain you how to find out the third trapezium area. So first triangle, it is a triangle. So use Heron's formula. Figure 1 is a triangle. You have to find out the area of the triangle with Heron's formula. Second also rectangle, 6.5 into 1, 6.5 centimeter square. And fourth and fifth one, find out.
Ma'am, is the area of first one root 5.9625?
5.9625. This much answer. That means you are doing with calculator.
No, ma'am. Like I'll show my video. Like this, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Are you able to see my video?
Wait. I need to enlarge it.
It's like this.
Where are you? Yeah. Multiplication it is.
Yeah.
That is the square root of that you have to calculate. No. So why you are doing that? 0.5, 0.5 into 0.5, take it out.
Oh yeah.
Keep it
Okay.
in terms of fraction.
Ma'am, I got 75
Okay.
by 100 root 11.
75 by 100 root 11. Oh my god.
Then 75 by
11 by 2 into 11 by 2 minus 5. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 11 by 2 minus 1. That is 9 by 2.
I got root 99 by 16, that is 33 by 4.
3 by 4 root 11. 3 by 4 into root 11.
Yes, ma'am, I got the same.
So root 11 calculate.
Ma'am, I got answer 1 by 2 root 2475 by 100.
No, that much is not needed. Keep it in terms of fraction.
Yeah. And in fractional only it's coming very big.
Fraction, it is 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 9 by 2.
It's 55 by 10 into 1 by 2
From where
into...
you have to 55 by 10 you got it? Why you have got it that much?
Okay, I didn't simplify it.
Yeah, don't, you have to simplify in terms of denominator is 16. So 16's square root is 1 by 4. 4 is in the denominator. And 99, numerator is 11 into 9. 9's square root is 3. 11 remain in the inside square root.
So I get root 99 by 16, that is 3 by 4 root 11.
Yeah, 3 by 4 root 11.
Yes, ma'am. 3 by 4 root.
So root 11 is 3.31. 3 by 4 into 3.31. 9.93 by 4. 2.4825.
On 2.4825.
25, yeah. The
Ma'am,
first
it is
part.
3 by 2 into root 11 by 2.
3 by 4. 3. Why 11 by 2 you will get it? 11 by 4, this will 4's square root will come out, no?
Yeah, so 11 by 2.
11 by 2?
3 by 2 root 11 by 2.
3 by 4 root 11.
Ah, yeah, okay, okay. 3 by 4 root 11. Okay, okay. Okay. Ma'am, so should I simplify it in point?
Yes.
What is the answer, ma'am?
For the second area, rectangle. Rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 6.5 into 1. 6.5 centimeter square. Leave a third one, fourth and fifth one. Fifth one area, half into 6 into 1.5.
4.5.
4.5. Fourth is also 4.5. Area figure 1 is you got as 2.4825 centimeter square. Figure 2. Area figure 2 is equal to 6.5 centimeter square. Area figure 5 is equal to 4.5 centimeter square. Even 4 also it is equal, so it is 4.5 centimeter square. Now area figure 3, which is trapezium. This is 1 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. In this case, listen everyone carefully. A, B, C, D area we have to calculate. We have the we have the formula half into A plus B into H, area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides into height. But we don't have height. Parallel sides A, B and C, D, 1 and 2 we have, but height we don't have. To calculate height, we have to do construction. So we have to draw a line, a line through B parallel to AD. So this line and this line is parallel. Already this line and this line is parallel. So this is a parallelogram. Suppose this is point E. BE is parallel to AD we have constructed, and already AB is parallel to DC. So therefore AB is parallel to D. Therefore this is a parallelogram. So in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So therefore this is 1 centimeter. AB is 1 centimeter. So DE is also equal to 1 centimeter. Full DC is 2 centimeter. Out of that, DE is 1 centimeter. Then what is EC?
1.
1 cent.
1 centimeter. So EBC is a
Triangle.
which triangle?
Equilateral.
Equilateral triangle.
3
So
by 4.
here,
Root 3 by 4.
BE parallel to AD. So therefore ABED is a parallelogram. So therefore BE is equal to 1 centimeter. DE is equal to 1 centimeter. So therefore EC is equal to 1 centimeter. Triangle BEC is equilateral triangle. So now area of triangle BEC is root 3 by 4 a square, root 3 by 4 into 1 square, that is 1. So value is root 3 by 4. Root 3 is 1.732 by 4, 0.44 is 16, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 0.833 centimeter square is the area of this rectangle. Now area of the rectangle, triangle is also written as half into base into height. So height is this. So what is base here?
1.
1 into h, and the area BEC already we got
0.43.
0.433. So this 2 will go this side. Half into 1, 1 into h is h. Half will go this side. 0.866 is equal to h. Okay. Now we got the height. Because triangle height is also a trapezium height. Here to here, from AB to CD we have drawn perpendicular. That means the height of trapezium is also perpendicular only. That's height, same height, BP. That is which considered as a H we will consider. So therefore, area of ABCD trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, that is A plus B into H, half into 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 into H is 0.866. So which is equal to half into 3 into 0.866 to 0.433 into 3, 9, 9, 12, 1, 1.299 centimeter square is the area of trapezium. That is the third part. And now add all the areas. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So long.
Multiply our areas. It is 3 into 0.866, right?
3 into 0.466 because half into base into height, no? Half
433.
into sum.
Yeah.
Half into sum of parallel sides into height.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you scroll it up?
Yeah.
Is the answer that 1.299 centimeter square?
Is the area of that lower trapezium.
Yeah.
Then you have to calculate all the areas. 5 areas you have to add up.
Okay. is the answer 19.2815 centimeter square?
Might be.
What, ma'am?
Might be, and I didn't calculate it. $19.2815.
19.2815, yes, ma'am.
Everyone, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Triangle and the parallelogram have the same area and same base. If the sides of the triangle, all three sides are given. The parallelogram stands on the base 28 centimeter. Find the height of the parallelogram. So first find out the area of triangle. That is the equal. That same value is equal to area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram you will get it. First find out the area of triangle.
Ma'am, is the height of parallelogram is equal to the height of triangle?
No, they are not given. They are told only a base is same.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, they have told that same base and same area.
Yeah.
So
Area of the
both,
triangle is equal to area of parallelogram.
yeah.
So the height will be different.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is the area of the triangle 112 to
112.
112?
Not getting your voice properly.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me
It is
now,
336.
ma'am.
Huh?
True.
Ma'am, is the area 336?
Ma'am, even I'm getting 336.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am,
336, right?
I'm getting 336.
Yes, 336 is the right answer. That is the area of parallelogram. Now they have asked the height of the parallelogram. So what is
How
the
is the area of parallelogram?
L into B.
breadth into height, B into H?
Yeah, no. Area of we found area of triangle.
That is equal to area of parallelogram. It is given 12 centimeter, right?
Ma'am,
Okay.
height is equal to 12 centimeter.
Yeah.
Ma'am, height is 12 centimeter.
Yes, ma'am, 12
Right.
centimeter.
Yeah, right. Yatin, what are you doing? Harshini, you got the answer? Daphne, are you there? Yes, you got the fourth answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshini, Chelsea?
Ma'am,
Yes?
for finding the area, we need the second diagonal, right?
Rhombus shaped field has 2 green grass for 18 cows, 2 grays. If each side of the rhombus is 30 and longer diagonal, here directly use area. Don't use Heron's formula. No need of any Heron's formula.
Yes, ma'am, but for rhombus, we need half D1, D2. So we need the other diagonal.
Base into height is also there. No? For this one, Diagonals divides the quadrilateral into 4 equal parts. Longer diagonal is 48 and each side is 30.
Ma'am, we can just use Heron's formula. The longer diagonal is 48 and all are 30.
30, 30,
So
yes.
two triangles.
Yeah.
Yeah, 30, 30,
Okay, okay.
48, one triangle. Second, 30, 30, 48, second triangle, equal area.
Okay, ma'am.
And total area divided by 18.
Ma'am, it is 432 meters square.
432 is the total.
No, ma'am. Total is 664.
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
864.
864.
432 is one triangle area. So two triangle area is 864. Then each cow will get how much area?
meters square.
Ma'am, 48 meters square.
Yes, right. So you have 4 questions left in this chapter, so this exercise. So you have to finish these 4 questions.
Why it is 48 meters square, no?
Yes, 48 meters square.
Okay. Now what should we do?
Now science will start.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.